Welcome to Expect Best. We specialize in providing web design, digital marketing, hosting and a ton of other digital solutions. Our experts offer a complete package to meet all your digital needs. And with over 400 happy customers, we've proven ourselves at crafting amazing digital products and services. If you're ready to elevate your brand online with a team that's as passionate as you, Expect Best can help.
Running an online store can be a complex task. And when it comes to getting help with WooCommerce, you need the right team to guide you through it. That's where we come in. We specialize in providing expert help with WooCommerce services. From setting up your store to customizing your checkout page, our team has the skills to ensure your online business runs smoothly. Don't struggle with the complexities of WooCommerce alone. Let us help you take control of your online store's success. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you succeed.
At Expect Best, we pride ourselves on delivering a range of online solutions which are tailored to helping businesses generate more leads, more sales, and more exposure. Regardless of your business needs, our professionals are equipped to boost your brand's online presence and will cater to any requirements. We take great pride in having served over 400 satisfied customers, and we've provided customized solutions for each client, with no obligations. Our creative team are committed to turning your digital ideas into a reality. So, for any inquiry, be it a minor or a major project, please feel free to get in touch via our website, or you can call our number on 01202 237 027. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it helps.